Yeah, so NBC is the brand name of our company. The company is called National Engineering Industries. It's a part of CK Birla Group. We started manufacturing bearings in the year 1950. So we are kind of pioneers in the field of bearings. And over the years, our production have really shot up. Now we are manufacturing close to 200 million bearings per annum, and we are actually doing many kinds of bearings like ball bearing, taper roller bearings, cylindrical roller bearings, and these bearings are used in various industries like automobile, railways, even the industrial applications. So 60% of our turnover comes from automotive, and in the automotive area we are pretty strong in all the segments like two-wheelers, four-wheelers, commercial vehicles, and even tractors. And basically our bearings are supplied for all kind of application in an automobile, especially the wheel bearings, the gearbox bearings, the transmission, the powertrain, and even the whatever rotates like water pump or even the pulleys. So there are so many applications where our bearings are being used. Yeah, so you are right. I mean, over the years, there's a lot of work has been done on materials, and the Indian domestic steel industry, because our basic material is steel, and a lot of work has been done along with our vendor partners in the area of vacuum degassing and purity and cleanliness of the material. But in addition to this, what we are as NBC we are adding value is we have designed various processes which are like heat treatment processes, very special, which increase the life of the bearing, also which contributes in reducing the pollution and giving more efficiency for the same application. So not only in materials, so we have also worked on the heat treatment process to give our customers what they are looking for now. Yeah, so there are two aspects which are happening in the industry. One is related to what we call as power dense bearings, which means we are reducing the envelope sizes. In the same application we are able to reduce the size and therefore increase the efficiency of the whole system. So on the other side is now very recently we are what we call as smart bearings, where there are technological improvement and digitalization of the bearings, and where we get so many data related to the application. Thereby, we can increase the efficiency of the overall system, and ultimately resulting in reduction in pollution, reduction in fuel consumption. And of course, the trend is towards integration of various components. So as NBC, we have launched several products in the market, especially in the area of wheel applications, where what we call as unitized bearings, which are very low maintenance and fit for life. The grease and everything is sealed inside the bearing, and the bearing you get a maintenance free life out of the bearing. So more and more such products are being launched, and gradually we will be offering these newer products in the market. We have already introduced them, especially the smart bearing, the sensor bearings, and also the unitized bearings. Definitely everybody is talking about electric vehicles now, and a lot of manufacturers like Mahindra and Tata have already introduced electric vehicle in the market, and we were the first one in the bearing industry in India to partner with all these OEMs and come out with special bearings which are suited for electric vehicle applications. Particularly there are three aspects to these electric vehicle bearings. They require a very high speed, and they require a very low noise, and the precision is very high. So although from outside the bearing looks similar, but there are a lot of design features, lot of material features, a lot of innovation which has gone into the development of these bearings, and we are very proud to say that our bearings are already being tested and verified and used by these leading electric vehicle manufacturers in India, and also we are engaged with some international OEMs to introduce these bearings in overseas market as well. These all the models from Mahindra, two-wheeler, for example, Ola. Now Ola is the biggest two-wheeler manufacturer for electric, and all the bearing used in that vehicle is supplied by NBC. So we are already seeing that on the road. Yeah. Well, as I said, I see also it's a concept of partnership with the OEM. So we start from the scrap, from the design stage, and what OEM tells us is their application details and what they are expecting out of the components, and then we sit down with our engineering and then propose certain drawings and specs to the OEMs, and these goes through various testing and validation, and it may require a lot of ongoing improvement. Maybe for after first test certain things require more changes, so we continuously do along with the OEM, and finally when the product is verified and is suitable for the particular application, we go into the production. So it's a very a model is like a partner in developing these bearings. If I look 10 or 15 years back, we used to take about 15 months to develop a new size of bearing, and this time has now been reduced to 3 months or sometimes even lesser. So now, as you are rightly put up, that more and more models are coming and the time to market is becoming shorter. And just to tell you the statistics, 5 years back or 10 years back, NBC used to develop around 20 to 30 new sizes in 1 year. And last year, we developed 150 sizes in 12 months. So that is the speed, and obviously as a component manufacturer we have to respond and adjust our overall development time to the needs of the market, and we have been very successful by employing many innovative and very big facility we have created in our factory in Jaipur to support these new developments. Absolutely, digitalization is very, very important in all the areas, whether it is manufacturing or whether it is R&D or even non-manufacturing areas. And we have started working 5 years back on the digitization program. Now we are at very advanced stage, and if you look at our manufacturing facility, everything is digitized, which means each machine is talking to the other machine, and we are able to generate lot of data and thereby increasing our productivity. And similarly in R&D area also we have even when we discussed about the new product development, the speed has reduced because of automation, of digitization, and that's what helped us to cope up with the such a fast development. So all this goes hand in hand, and we are working very hard on that.